The dynamics of human relationships are known to be mysterious and complex. We have entire disciplines and professions dedicated to understanding and treating the tumultuous world of relationships. Relationships are a crucial component of human existence, and developing positive relationships is essential to human advancement. The Torah, being the blueprint of creation, has much to say and inform about this super important area. Join us for a brand new course that will explore the Jewish view of the array of relationships we engage in, including spousal, sibling, child-parent, teacher-student, employee-employer, benefactor-recipient, and friendships. Happy sailing on the relationship towards healthy, meaningful, and fulfilling relationships. The course begins Sunday, November 16 at 10 a.m. at the Jewish Discovery Center, 757 Hopkins Road in Williamsville. For more information and to register, call 716-400-1550 or log on to www.jewishdiscovery.org.